Bonjour, this is Julien the Frenchman who makes French pronunciation videos here on YouTube, and we are looking at how to pronounce the name of the second wine, the second label of famous Cru Classe of Saint-Emilion in Bordeaux. How do you pronounce this name? For reference, in French it is said as le Carillon de l'Angélus. The wine is actually now called Carillon d'Angélus, as they have simplified the name a little bit. Carillon d'Angélus. It'd be fine English to say it as Carillon d'Angélus. Carillon d'Angélus, from French Carillon d'Angélus or le Carillon de l'Angélus. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting wine names from Bordeaux and beyond, whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.